hello there. This is Tablescape Diva, and I am just coming to show you a placement of my swag. This is my long swag that I made with 3 white Dollar Tree Christmas trees. Yes, those little Dollar Tree Christmas trees. My swag is placed on top of my homemade fireplace or mantle. This is my homemade mantle, and you see how long that tree comes to. It comes all the way across here and to right there. This is what it looks like. Those 3 trees, this is what it looks like connected together and decorated. And as you can see, I got my sign here. It says, "Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king." But I came to show you how long it would be on your mantle or your fireplace. See how long that is? I'm going to tell you once again. It starts right here. That's the tip, and it goes all the way across. And I'll show you where it stops at. It goes all the way across, and it stops right here. I think that's a pretty good length for on your fireplace or mantle. And it can also lay it flat on your table if you want to have that as a decor on your table. As I said, my colors are pink and gold for this year in my front room, and another room will be red, and then I have another room that's buffalo check, and in my kitchen will be black and white with pops of color. I'm not quite sure yet, but I know I got the black and white, and I'm going to do pops of color in there as well. So this is Tablescape Diva saying thank you so very much for looking at how the placement of my swag looks on a mantle or a fireplace. I will be coming back to you when I'm finished decorating for the Christmas holidays. Right now, we're trying to get ready for Thanksgiving and hoping that you and your family have a blessed and glorious Thanksgiving. This is Tablescape Diva saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And remember, y'all, God is alive and well and still in control. Tablescape Diva saying, adieu.